down in Springfield. I was on my way back. I was driving on the expressway. I saw y'all gathering here. Right on. Tell them, open up the state of Illinois. Open it up. This is such a pile of poop. You know, they're destroying us, man. They're destroying us. They want to destroy us. They don't want to help us. They want to destroy us. You know, we were down there. There was 1,500 of us down there rallying against.
It's all good. It's all good.
Nobody had masks on. Everybody was standing next to each other, telling Pritzker, go back to Chicago where you came from. Yeah, you got it. You got it. Pritzker and his whole gang, Madigan, the whole group, they can go pound sand, man. You know what? Staying in your house is going to destroy you. Staying in your house is going to make you get sick. You need good sun and fresh air. You need vitamin D. Without vitamin D, your immune system will deplete. This is right on. This is the hope for the world, what you're doing here right now. The hope for the world. They are trying to take away all of our constitutional rights. All of our constitutional rights. You guys stand for your rights. Civil disobedience is what happened in the Revolutionary War. There were only 1/3 of the colonists that wanted to fight against England. And they did it, and we're here today because they did it. But if we are sheeple, they will destroy us. God bless all of you, and God bless America. These people are anti-American. They are not America. Although this attack, I think, is more than just against America. It's the whole world. And they have their plan for that. But you'll have to go and figure that out. But God bless all of you. God bless all of you. This is great. You guys can think. You're not sheeple. You guys have thought. You can say, this is not right what they're doing. This is wrong. You're not, you know. I'm 6 years old, man. I'm not sick because I take care of my immune system. I don't have to hide in the house. You got to just take care of your bodies, take care of your minds. Don't get down and don't let the adrenaline go because that will kill you. And they know all those things. That's what they're trying to get to happen. But I got to go, man. God bless all of you.